Hello, Assalaam Alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabeena, with week 4 of the 6 Items Challenge 2024 with Labour Behind the Label. This week, I thought I'd show you my 6 items of clothing that I have worn during the 6 Items Challenge. You can see my kurta there, and my bottoms, another kurta, and bottoms, and my scarves, which are fair trade. And if we just turn around this way, we can see the could you wear only 6 things for 6 weeks? Join the fashion fast. So there you have it, my 6 items of clothing for the 6 weeks challenge 2024. Thank you so much for watching. Apologies for the creaky floorboards, and I look forward to recording more videos for you very soon. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam. Peace and blessings.